Hello, I'm going to show you how to fix an Unreal process has crashed error. It's so simple and easy, so make sure to follow my steps. Firstly, you should go to the Windows taskbar, right click and select Task Manager. Now type in the launcher that you have the game on, which is obviously Steam. If you do find it running in the background, make sure to select everyone or straightforward select the Steam 32-bit, right click and select in task. Ensure that you have no process running in the background or even the launcher itself. So go to this upside arrow and select it. If you do find it displaying right here, right click on the icon, after that select exit. Just wait for a couple of moments, after that go to the search and type in settings. Now this is what will pop up. You'll be redirected to the home page, so go to Windows Update in the left menu. Ensure that you have already downloaded the latest Windows update. Ensure that even the pending updates need to be downloaded, so select update history and check these two. And then if you do know the updates that get you stuck for some reason, so select uninstall update and go ahead and uninstall the update that you just downloaded. For the next step, go to the search and type in NVIDIA. Now if you do have an NVIDIA graphics card, open the NVIDIA app. If you can't find it, you can just download from the official website. Make sure to log in with the right credentials. After that, go to the left menu and select drivers and make sure you installed the latest update. Now go to settings and make sure to switch off the NVIDIA overlay. Once done, close this and go to the search and type in device manager. It will be popping up like this. The first thing you need to do is to go to display adapters and open the side arrow. Now select your graphics card, which is either NVIDIA or AMD. Right click on it and select update driver. After that, select the first option and click on close. For the next step, go open the Steam launcher. Next, you have to go to the library and select collections. After that, go to the search and type in Silent Hill 2. The game has to be already installed in the device, otherwise it won't work. So select the Silent Hill 2 remake game and then select this manage gear icon. After that, click on properties. This window will pop up, so go to the launch options and type in this command -dx11. After that, go to installed files and select verify integrity of game files. It will be starting by verifying the internal or original files of the game, and the missing files will be automatically restored. Just wait for the process to finish. Alternatively, you can close this, go to the search and type in cmd, and then make sure to run it as an admin. Now when this command prompt pop up, make sure to type in this command. After that, make sure to hit enter. It will be starting by restoring and fixing any issues related to the game, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. It will take obviously some time because it will analyze possibly all the files of the device, so don't panic and close it because you think it is stuck or something. And that's it. Now you can just go to the Windows icon and restart your computer, and after that you can try relaunch the game and see if it works. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing, like the button, and see you on the next one.